Welcome to a video from thedislifestyle.com. In this video I'm going to look at some cases for the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Here's my nice new phone. So I've got my nice new phone, and obviously when you pay for a premium smartphone like this you want to protect it. So what I'm going to be looking at is some selection of cases that are on offer, and these were sent to me by mobilefun.co.uk. So the first one I'm going to look at is something you want to keep something simple. You don't want to bulk up your phone, you just want to protect it from scratches and things like that. And this is the Oxxar ultra thin rear case. It's $6.99. And the nice thing about this one, it doesn't bulk up the front or anything, and there's quite a big camera bump on the S20, on the Note 20, and this one kind of protects that, so it just fits in there like that, nice and simple. Protects the back from scratching, and that's it really. It gives you that sort of nice non-slip feel to it as well, but it doesn't bulk up the front or anything. Still works with the wireless charging, so a nice little simple back. The next one I'm going to go at is this little sleeve one. This is a neoprene. This is a neoprene pouch, $9.99. Comes a little strap to hold it, and you just stick your phone in. It's got a nice piece of Velcro on there, and that actually protects it really nice. So in your pocket, that's not going to get scratched, or in a bag. But when you want to use the phone, take it out, and it's not encumbered by any extra protection or anything else like that. So it's a nice, simple way of protecting your phone without, again, adding too much bulk, but you've got to take this in and out obviously. It's a bit more expensive. This is the Oxxar premium smartphone case. This one is $12.99, and this is the wallet style case. You can actually put a card in there. So I found this one, and that's what it's got, the same kind of back protector as the other one that I tried before, but obviously it's got the front case as well. It closes nicely like that, so that's going to protect it. There's no magnetic, oh yeah, there is a bit of magnet feel to that actually, so it does stay open. There's a bit of a magnetic feel, but it will open, but it does protect it nicely. You're not going to get any scratches on your pocket on that one, so it adds a bit of bulk to it, as you can see, but it does protect it well. The charging and the wireless charging should still work, and you can fold it back like that if you're in a car charger or whatever. So that's a nice protective one, and you've got space for a card in there as well, which is kind of recessed so it's not going to scratch the phone, and plenty of camera mounts on there. So that's kind of the next one up. And the final one is the Samsung one. This is £44, so a big step up in price. This is the official case for it. So this has got a very nice thin slim feel to it. So let's see how the phone fits in that one. So I put that in there, and straight away you can tell this is a premium one. First, it's got the date and the time and some notification icons there already. So you can see that. So when you've got the always on display, it's very slim. It doesn't add a lot to the bulk, protects it, and automatically turns the phone on when you open the display. And I like this thin cover on there. So that's probably the one that adds the least amount of thickness to it. It's still going to work in your car charger or on a wireless charger, but it's very slim. But you're paying for that one. That's $44.99, so it's a premium one. It's actually, I think, normally 50 quid. The other thing they sent me to review as well is a screen protector as well, which is something that you may want to use. Back covers, you've got the nice thick protective covers. You've got the neoprene one if you just want to not have it in anything, and then you've got all the way up to the Samsung smart cover. And they sent me a clean cloth as well to go with all this as well. So plus they sent me a nice clean cloth to go with all these. So there's plenty of choices. They've got other ones on the website as well, so I want to thank them for sending those in. Make sure I look after my new Note 20 Ultra. So thanks for watching this video. You can find out more about the Ultra 20 on our website and our YouTube channel. I'm at iStixon on Twitter.